Today, I'm going around Shanghai City to try different types of noodles for different prices. We're starting from 2 yuan all the way to 200 yuan. Are they worth it? Does price really make a difference? Why don't you come with me to find out? Good morning, guys. Welcome back. Today, we're gonna do the 2 yuan versus the 20 yuan versus the 200 yuan bowl of noodle. Right now, we're getting started with the 2 yuan bowl of noodle. Let's go. Alright, so here we got the selection. And I think we're feeling this one here, right here. The Shanghai Euro man. Spicy, but like aromatic spicy. Just got the coriander in there, the chili. Okay, so quick disclaimer. There actually isn't a 2 yuan noodle, like instant noodle we found. We got the next cheapest thing, which was 6 yuan. But it's around the same ballpark. Boom. Smells very good though. Smells delicious. Alright.
It's a classic taste, bro.
Oh wow. Classic. This is really.
How are you feeling about the $6 noodle right now?
It's very good. Blew like my expectations out of the park, honestly. Because it doesn't look that good. Obviously, it's not. You're not gonna get what's on the cover, right? Yeah. But like, I feel like the soup has those flavors, you know.
Bro, why do you try the soup, bro? Very good.
If I'm ever in a rush, I might just get one of these.
Bro, that's good. That's the whole point, bro. The convenience.
Yeah, genuine. But I'm a little sad that my go-to, the bulldog, is out of the price range, bro. It's time to try the soup. Yeah.
What do you say about that?
It's very good.
It's very
good. Really tastes like, it's like your classic Chinese beef noodle, I feel like. That type of broth, you know? So far, for me, I would give it a 7 out of 10. Like, overall, like compared to general foods, I would say.
General food standards?
Yeah. Like, not just instant noodles, you know what I mean?
7.5, I'd say.
7.5, yeah.
It's really good. It's a very solid instant noodle.
If you add some meat, like yourself, or like some veggies and like egg, I think I would think it's restaurant quality. Genuinely.
What?
Maybe a little crazy to say it.
Maybe. Alright, we're at the second location now. When I was walking here, I saw 20 yuan bowl of noodle inside. I think it's perfect for these cameras. And there's a lot of people inside, so it's gotta be good. This is the location right here. I'm gonna put it on the screen too, because I don't know how to read it. But let's go. Alright, so we're here in the second location. Just looked like it was like busy. That's why we came in to check it out. And they had an exactly 20 yuan noodle bowl. So we're gonna try it out. It's pork meat, by the way. Alright. Now, let's dig in to bowl number 2.
What are you saying about the pears?
It's looking good.
Does it look promising?
It's looking promising. The noodles look like handmade, you know?
Yeah.
So I think the base level is gonna be like decent. And also, well, I think what's most important is the broth, bro.
Oh, for sure. Get some of that,
You know? Good broth makes good noodle soup.
For real.
Let's cheers.
Cheers, bro. I like the texture of the noodles.
Yeah, me too.
Like a little
It's
firm.
like firm. It's like al dente.
Yeah, a little bit.
A little sweet, but I don't mind it. It's good. It's also tender. Now the soup. The soup is super important. Oh shit.
I think it's just very standable.
So far, I think for me, I'm gonna give this a 6.5.
You gonna get this lower than the first one?
Yeah.
This has meat in it and shit.
I know, but
and this is
for me, soup is like too important. You can't mess up the soup. Otherwise, bad soup is bad noodles, bro.
This also like made like fresh. Like that one's processed. I'm putting like 0.5. So I'll give it a 8's a bit too high. I like 6 point. Same way. I'll give the last one 7.5. This would be like a 7.5 7.
7.7?
7.6. We headed now to our third and final location.
Cut it up, nice. We have arrived to the third and final location. It's supposed to be 200 yuan, but we just realized the bowl of noodle is around 100 yuan. Maybe we'll add some sides to make it a total of 200. But guess where it's located? That means it's better be good, bro.
Wow, bro, this looks really fancy, bro. Someone's guiding us to the restaurant. Incredible. That's cooking right there, bro.
You can genuinely smell the meat. Like,
In the
it's your
air.
nose the moment you walk in.
No, it's sensational. Bro, it looks insane.
Hang on, let's go back a bit. Bro, first thing, someone walks out and like greets us and then brings us through this whole passageway to this restaurant. Yeah, we took our coats off, put it on the chair. The immediate moment we did that, some guy was like, "Let me take your coats, let me go ahead."
Yeah.
Talk about the service, bro.
Talk about the service.
So far,
Is it
service
worth?
is definitely the best. Definitely.
Definitely. By the last.
Yeah, crazy.
Two types of soup together. See, the first one is a vegetable beef soup,
And Hong Xiao
big bowl
roast.
soup,
And the Hong Xiao
and then
roast.
Hong Xiao Rutan, and then they say they cook it overnight, and then they like process it, like they take out all the like impurities, and like put it together.
It's very clear.
Very.
Yeah. So far, the best broth by far. Best broth.
Alright. Let's try with the noodles.
So let's try the meat. So tender.
Wow. Wow.
This is next level noodles.
How's it with the
Oh,
chili?
like the chili oil itself, like
It's
is
crazy.
another like insane flavor. It's not regular chili oil, bro. Quick final verdict. I'd say best noodles for sure.
I agree.
I'd give this a strong 8.5 out of 10. I think a very strong one.
I'll
The
give it
meat
a,
for me was the highlight for
the
sure.
meat, yeah, meat, it's probably, I agree with the 8.5. I think I'll give it an 8.5. Yeah. I think this is what the 6 yuan instant noodles was trying to
replicate, yeah.
Trying to replicate. It's got the same, like, it's like that beef.
The
like,
flavor's very
that-
similar.
Yeah, the flavor's very similar.
But this is like 10 times more intense.
yeah, and it's more fresh. It's more,
Yeah, true. Like, you can tell them that meat was cooking for a while.
yeah, that meat, oh wow.
Very good.
The bone marrow, bro, that shit that's what like a soup.
Honestly, insane bowl of noodle. You can't really ask for more than that. I think a great bowl of noodle to finish it off. But yeah, for me it goes the 200 yuan noodle, 2 yuan noodle, and then the 20 yuan noodle.
Fair enough.
Personal taste.
Fair enough. I agree with that take.
You agree with that take?
I agree with that take.
I think you-